Guys, so it's a beautiful day and we have prepared too many crafts. Can you see the beautiful picture behind me? So it's a great art, has been done by all our family members, especially my husband is the master artist in that picture. So, and my daughter and me are the supporter for that art and craft. So it's a beautiful one and it made our ugly doors so wonderful, and it can be a very good option for decoration in any part of our house. So I'll show the exact information and what the things we have used and how we have done it. So it's a beautiful craft. So without further delay, let's get into the video. Material we have used here are polycarbonated sheet. We have chosen the transparent one and the thickness about 3 millimeter. Translucent polycarbonated sheets what we have used are very sturdy and UV coated. Once they have been painted, they are looking just like glass paintings. And the paintings colors what we have used from Fevicryl, and this is the outliner available in multiple range of colors, and we have choose the bronze one. These are the 3D outliners. It can be available in any of the stationery shop. The inside outliner we filled with the glass colors, and this is again from Fevicryls, and it is available with 10 different shades, and with the packet one outliner is also available which is black in color. Outliners are very inexpensive. You can see the MRP is just around 20 rupees, and the 10 sets of colors, glass colors, around 100 rupees costs. These colors are available easily in any of the stationery shop. Using the sheets of very big size, so we have purchased many of them. By the help of different sizes of the caps, we are preparing here the bubble patterns, and bubble patterns will look so beautiful, and different size caps, just with the help of the markers we are just making round shapes. Once the bubbles mark was created, here with the help of the 3D outliner, we are outlining the bubbles which was created by the help of the markers. These crafts are very helpful, productive and decorative. If you have kids in your home, they will engage themselves so well. We have used here golden and black 3D outliner in a particular pattern. Time to fill the bubbles with the glass colors. These glass colors are very vibrant and strong in colors, and they look so beautiful. While filling the colors, you must be careful about the bubbles. So without removing the tip, if you continuously keep on filling the colors, then there will be less chance for getting bubbles. Filling colors are so enjoyable. You can see that my little girl is very busy in filling the colors. She also learned to avoid the bubbles. Children will learn these beautiful crafts to make, and also they will stay away from mobiles. That is the great help that I observe. As the seat is too big, so it took little bit more time to us, but believe me, it was very beautiful and it turned out to be a beautiful and amazing collection. Is done, so nobody can just realize that it is not a glass one. It is exactly looking like a glass painting. The original door of our house was something looking like this, but once it is pasted with this beautiful craft, the overall look has been changed. It is looking so beautiful and so amazing. Now we are going to do this beautiful craft, contemporary art. Kitchen, we have purposefully chosen contemporary theme of a girl and two tribal women and one mother and child contemporary art. One long sheet we have divided into three parts and three different pictures or arts we have painted on it, and then now filling the colors after giving the outliners. Mixing, especially whenever two colors has to be mixed together, then we have choose the fingertips to mix the colors, and there is no such other way to mix the two glass colors, so we have choose only the fingers. As it's a painting for the kitchen door, so it is a theme of a girl drinking a juice and eating some fruits. Now it's time to nail them on the doors. So we have choose here the screw which can be fitted with the help of driller, and the studs. Beautiful studs will also increase the beauty of these pictures. Nailing them on the door was not such big difficult task, so we did it by ourselves without any help of any carpenters. Drill them or nail them on the door of the kitchen, and the picture is really very beautiful, but I could not able to capture it through my mobile camera. So in fact how it is looking is not expressible. These glass colors are very vibrant, and truly the seeds after the coloring, it is looking exactly like the glass painting. So while pasting it, we have choose the opposite side to paste on the door to avoid it from any kind of dust. The real picture, and the back side what we are seeing is the back side of the sheet. Please do write me in my comment section that how do you like the paintings, the art and craft, and also the overall changeover look of my doors. So now it's time for the third door, which is visible to our hall area, and that is towards my third bedroom, or towards the puja room also. Third picture is specially for the door of our puja room, which is also visible through our hall. So if you have seen my empty apartment door, you must have seen the doors which is already available or visible through our hall area. So three of them we decorated with these beautiful crafts and drawings. So it is now change the overall look of the hall or the dining area, aesthetically so beautiful.
Guys, if you like our video, then smash the like button and subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye.